In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get and use a Stubhub promo code. To get started, head over to the Stubhub website or open the Stubhub app. Before you buy anything, it helps to know where promo codes usually come from. You can often find them by signing up for Stubhub's email newsletter, checking for promotions inside your Stubhub account, looking for limited time offers directly on the website, or receiving special offers through eligible partners or event promotions. If you already have a code, keep it ready so you can apply it during checkout. Once you're on Stubhub, sign in to your account. This is important because some promotions may only appear for signed-in users, and it also makes checkout faster and easier later on. If you're using the app instead of the website, the process is very similar, so you can follow the same general steps. Next, search for the event you want to attend. This could be a concert, sports game, theater performance, or another live event. After you find the event, choose the tickets you want. Take a moment here to double check the section, row, quantity, and pricing so you know you're selecting the right option before moving forward. When you're ready, click Buy Now or proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, look for the area labeled Promo Code, Discount Code, or Add a Code. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on whether you're using the website or app, but it should be somewhere in the order summary or payment section. Enter your valid Stubhub promo code carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces or typing errors, and then click Apply. After that, verify that the discount has actually been applied. You should see the order total update before you make your payment. If the code is valid and your purchase qualifies, the new discounted price will appear on the screen. If you don't see a change, it may mean the code has expired, the event isn't eligible, or the code has specific terms that your order doesn't meet. In that case, review the code and your order details before continuing. Once the discount looks correct, complete your purchase by entering or confirming your payment information. Then review your full order one more time, including the event details, ticket selection, and final total. When everything looks good, click Place Order or Complete Purchase. And that's it. That's how to get and use a Stubhub promo code quickly and correctly.